Hey, what's going on, everybody? I know, you thought I was dead. No, not yet. Trying to keep this down kind of quiet. It's late at night. Wifey is asleep across the hallway, and I don't want to wake her up and have her kill me. But I didn't want to wait and do this unboxing because I'm itching to see what's inside. We know what's inside. It's down here in the title, but I'm itching to actually see the parts and everything themselves. You guys thought I was out of the model game? No, I'm still collecting and thinning out some stuff and selling off some stuff and doing the woodworking, and you may see some e-bike stuff coming up, but that's besides the point. So without further ado, we have the Yolopark Bumblebee Optimus Prime model kit. And not this guy. This is the 3A Bumblebee Optimus Prime. 12 inches tall. There's a lot of similarities, except for this is a model kit where this is chunky plastic parts. I'm super excited to compare the two. I love this. I love the design of this. Let's take a look at this one. Oh, P.S. What I think I'm going to do is I'm just going to shoot everything so that I'm not talking through the whole thing. And then I'll just do some voiceovers where it's needed. Sound good? Sound good? All right. All right, the first thing we're going to take a look at is the manual. And like, this thing is a book. There's how many pages? 82 pages, 84 pages, something like that. So let's take a quick look at all the instructions. All right, so one thing I can tell you right off the bat is that's interesting is there's like 9 A runners. So each of them, it's not like A1, AB, things like that. There's multiples of each of these runners. Alright guys, that was a super simple, quick. I didn't have to voice over really anything on that. The blue I do love. It's like a pearlescent metallic blue, and it's actually very well done because it's evenly colored throughout. The red is a good color. I think you could get away with building this and just doing good washes and maybe some weathering pastels. I can already tell you this is more detailed than the 3A Prime, but we're going to have to end up seeing how it holds up compared. I'm probably going to end up snipping this down into baggies, heads, arms, legs, chest, things like that. The weapons, they're okay, just even from what I've ended up seeing. Does come with colored parts. The metallic is actually a coating that's on the runners, so that's pretty good. A lot of freaking pieces. There are so many pieces in here. So I hope to see you guys all in the next one. Let me know down below whether you just want to see little short videos of it being snapped together in pieces, or if you just want one big chunk one. I don't know. I'll get to do it in little pieces. I will see you guys all in the next video. Love each and every one of you. Peace.